the Valentine's edition of Preedy and Friends continues.
The voice changed, boy. The voice changed. See what one drink does do? Hey, Preedy.
If I ain't learned nothing from Jase, at least I learned to speak in a romantic
Yes,
way.
you have to have the tone. Now, when you're ready to present your meal to your missus, you gotta bring it down.
You gotta bring it up.
All right?
That'll come from
It come from the air, yes, from the craw. Right? But before we get to that, let me get to this.
So the voice training was good. That was.
You want one more voice training? Nah, we gotta cook food. While we cooking, I'll give you voice training.
Yeah, voice training. So we're doing a sexy vodka tomato sauce. And we're tossing it with some pasta. We have some mushrooms in there. And we're going to kind of create some flavors using mushrooms, Hunt's tomato sauce. We're going to put some Kraft cheese in there using the Bertolli olive oil, and of course the pasta. So we're starting with the pasta. I just want to show you the pasta. The pasta is a penny pasta. It is the ideal pasta for this dish. And we're going to be tossing the pasta in the sauce. But let's first build the sauce. So Jase, you're going to start with some butter.
You see this bit of butter here? You're going to throw all of that inside of there, and then of course you drizzle your olive oil, all right? So let your pot get a little hot first, and then you shall scoop all of this in there, and then of course you throw your lovely virgin olive oil and stir, all right? That's how it is.
So let him start.
Is it ready? Is it hot enough?
Yeah.
All right, good. Go ahead. There you go, Messiah. Lovely. Yes, Preedy. Do it. Sexy style. Yes, do it. Right, there you go. Oh, God. Of course. All right, not too rough.
Yeah.
There you go. Hear that? That's that noise. That's the ecstatic noise of Valentine's right
I
there.
want about a tablespoon.
What's a tablespoon to you, Preedy?
A little more, my brother. Yes, that's the Bertolli.
All right, you could start
Bertolli
to stir. Yes.
Yes.
While you stir, hold the onions, and of course you can toss them while stirring. That provides more sexy vibes. There you go. There you go.
Yes.
Put all. You can put all of it. Don't hesitate, right? Make sure the onions are sautéed properly, engulfed in all the richness of the sauces. Yes, the butter and the olive oil. I can take that.
Yeah,
There
I
you
will
go.
take
Right?
that from you.
Across to you, Sir Joel. What next do you have from to put into?
What's very important here to allow the onions just about a little 30 seconds
To breathe.
Saute it up there a little bit. Looking good. You don't want it to burn. And now, so you're gonna focus. Put down the drink.
Yeah. No, don't study me. Don't follow me with that.
You're gonna focus.
I'm not even following me. This is me.
I want you to get some mushrooms in there. So nice fresh mushrooms.
Oh, these are lovely mushrooms.
Lovely mushrooms.
Yes. Lovely.
Lovely. And you get that stirred in.
You get that with
Yeah.
smelling good?
Smelling nice.
See these chili flakes? But keep stirring your mushrooms. Make sure they get engulfed in the concoction. You take the chili flakes and sprinkle it all around.
Okay.
Right?
So if your Valentine doesn't like it too spicy, be careful with the chili flakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just
And not too spicy.
yeah. Make sure you get it over there.
Oh, yes. Cover it. Drizzle it.
Yeah.
Go a little more. Right. There you go.
Certainly like it hot.
All the time.
So one of the things now is adding garlic. It's important to add the garlic after your mushrooms, and then you don't want to burn your garlic. So I have this little thing that I'm going to just help you with.
It's not a little thing. It's a fancy Presley man now, boy.
So, bam, and you get garlic. Yeah. Make sure you scrape out all that garlic goodness there.
Joel, you gotta give me one of that, boy. I want one of them.
Yeah.
The key thing with mushrooms, garlic, onions, you have to, of course, season to taste. All right?
It's important to season the layers.
Now, do not throw all the salt and all the pepper in it.
Nah.
Yeah. Right.
Season the taste. I'll the
Let's see a seasoning.
Let's see your seasoning technique. Go ahead.
I love a pinch.
Yes, that's a good drizzle.
Nice
yes.
tender pinch.
Nice.
I love the tender
Nice
pinch.
tender pinch.
Yeah. Because you don't want to pinch too hard.
Too hard.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't know where you all are going with that.
Keep stirring.
Yo, there's a real sexual meaning to this. This meal. Yo, I don't get you.
vibes.
Yeah, I don't get you after this
Alright.
meal.
Something wrong.
All right, so that's stir. You get that aroma there already?
Nice.
Sexy vibes. We're going to add the epitome of sexy in there. Elix. You're going to elix it down, you know.
Oh, that's what she said.
No. Oh, Lord. Don't add too much. All right? Be very sparse with it.
See,
You go ahead.
you're looking for a splash or two.
Go ahead. A little bit more. A little bit.
A little bit more.
A little bit.
Give him a little more. Give him a little more.
Joel, you have plans?
It's Valentine's night.
All right. Next slide around now.
So the important now is to scrape and make sure you deglaze the pan.
So next on the agenda, we're going with Hunts. Now,
You have a wide range of sauces there from Hunt's.
I figure the best bet is let's go mushrooms since we have mushrooms in there.
Hey, jeez. Oh, jeez, I love it. I love it.
That's what we're talking about.
I love it.
We there. You'll get there, Preedy. You'll get there.
You pair the mushrooms with the mushroom sauce.
I have the magic can opener here now, Bam.
Oh, hey.
That's it.
I know, asking myself, well, how are you opening this on camera?
Put about half. Half the tin.
Yeah.
Nice. A little bit more. Right, that's it. Lovely. Stir that around.
Wait,
Oh my word. Yes.
Oh, shucks.
Why these stirs I sip? Yes, let's get the cream in there.
All right, so we get some heavy, luxurious cream that we're adding to this tomato sauce.
Ooh,
You
look
see
at that.
You see that? So it's going to get a nice, sexy pink when you start to stir there now, Preedy.
Yes. There you go. Notice the depth in our voices.
Yeah.
Yes.
You see that sexiness?
See it there?
You see that
Just
sexiness?
stir right around. Yeah, still good.
Get that sexy pink
Still
stir.
right good, very good. Right there, there you go.
Jase, stand by with the
Is he moaning or
stand
not?
by with the Kraft Parmesan cheese, Jase. Stand by.
I have it
stand
ready,
by.
son. Got it ready.
Kraft Parmesan cheese coming in.
Alright, so you know, you have to shake this up. Make sure you get it.
So together with the tomatoes and the cream, you know, we'll add that cheesy luxury to the thing.
Now you add cheese to taste. Alright? But don't overdo it. So fix up.
So the cheese also has some salt content
Yes.
as well.
Nice.
You're cheesy, boy.
Yeah, boy. Still. Alright, watch your fire. Make sure your fire's not too high.
That's how she like it.
We tasted.
Boy, taste
You looking good. You looking good.
You need the seasoning? Let me know, you know.
No.
A little more salt, a
Good.
little more pepper, because this is where you have to
This is
put
where
that final
you come in.
adjust
You need your adjustments.
your seasonings.
Nah,
You're
nah.
good?
You're good.
I got like it perfect. Like I have these hands. Perfect.
Perfect.
Alright.
So I'm going to add some of
No,
the...
let him at it.
You want him to
He
add
has
it.
to do everything.
So what? I don't want to add all of the pasta. So just add probably about a half of that, because I want it evenly coated. Yeah.
You go ahead.
And I want you to fold that pasta and that sauce together there. Fold it in. Nice.
There you go.
Boy, take your fire off at this point now, Preedy. And you just, because you want it to be a little saucy.
Yeah.
But you don't want it to be dry.
Yeah. I want it to be
But not
wet.
too saucy.
And not
too
pasty.
wet.
Moist.
Moist.
There you go.
Moist is the word, my brother. Moist is the word.
Moist.
Moist is
Moist is the word.
Yeah. Moist.
Jase,
Sir,
can you bring the plates? The brother is ready to
Oh, the
plate.
brother. All right, then. I'll put the plates by you then.
The brother is
Here
ready.
you are, sire.
Yeah.
All right. The power of plating begins.
So Preedy,
Right
I
now.
want you to hold the plate, and I want you to work with me. So I'm going to just show you. So you grab a nice spoonful. You go to the middle of the plate, and you just allow it to cascade and fall nicely. Yeah. A little more. Height is important.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, boy, I don't know if I can do this voice for this story. Cascade.
Cascading.
Cascading.
Yes. There you go, Preedy.
Preedy.
All right, go again.
You're a quick learner, boy.
am.
I like this. I like it. I'm liking this.
Height.
See that? You got some lovely mushrooms
Oh,
in
lovely. Yes,
there.
man.
Yes.
That's it.
Oh.
Good to go. Now, a very important part of plating is the garnish.
Jase has the
You know,
garnish.
he's our boss. He's our boss.
All good.
All right.
Ready for Valentine's Day?
Yeah, you ready? When we done with them, so that's it. Preedy Junior, come here.
All right, to be godfathers.
You ready?
Are you ready?
All right.
Godfather.
Are you ready?
I'm godfather.
We digress. We digress. So the power of plating also must have garnishing.
So before we go with the breeding, let's go with some more cheese.
There we go.
Let's go with some
I would like to
cheese.
go with
So
Italian.
So we're doing some more Kraft cheese across there. So we've used the Kraft cheese. We've used Parmesan. Now we're using what are you using?
I'm going Italian.
Oh, and this is a classic Italian dish.
Yes.
Jase,
So we're going to sprinkle. So go on in and sprinkle. Sexy sprinkle.
Sexy sprinkle.
Sexy sprinkle.
Sexy sprinkle.
Oh.
There you go. Drizzle. Yes.
Oh, pretty.
Pretty.
Oh.
Joy, you're taking this thing too far.
Oh,
You're taking this thing too
pretty.
far.
Pretty. Pretty, give me some
Right.
sprinkle here.
I'm gonna tell you this plate.
That's true. That's true.
Oh,
Right.
yes.
Lovely. There you go.
Lovely.
There you go.
Right. So, pretty, you can pick your eyes. So, a little green, some fresh green.
Garnish.
Some parsley.
There you go.
Oh.
Joel, doing it.
Who turns me on, Jase?
I realize.
This is a vodka tomato sauce a la pasta. Thanks to the folks at Elix from Absolute.
Yes, indeed.
We want to thank Kraft Cheese, Hunt's tomato sauce,
Yes.
Roma pasta, and Bertolli olive oil.